Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. If you're not a subscriber to our channel, please hit the subscribe button. Today, we're talking about EmeraldBux. Is it a scam or is it not? Um, so here's my EmeraldBux account. I'm going to be transparent. This says there are 73,507 members. 80 new people joined today. And this is how much they paid out thus far. I'm going to go ahead and hit this button there. To get credit for your EmeraldBux credits, you have to view advertisements, right? And in order for you to get advertisements, you have to click on the button. So you'll click on the button, right? New site. It's going to open up in another window, and this is the advertisement that I'm viewing. All right. So you'll look at the advertising. Okay. From now, for you get credit, go back to your EmeraldBux account, but keep that advertisement open. And there's a green bar that has to go to the end for you to get credit. So once it's go to the end, you're gonna see you got credit for that. Now, if you close out that advertisement, I'll show you what it does, and you won't get credit for it. So allow this green bar to come to the end, and then it's gonna refresh, and then you're gonna get credit for you viewing that advertisement. Okay. So here it is. It's come to the end of that bar there. So the green bar needs to run out. The site is going to refresh, and then you're going to get credit. So here it is. It's come to the end. Now it's refreshing. Now you see it says you successfully earned. Now it looks like 20 cents a euro, if I'm not mistaken. That looks like the euro sign. Okay. Now it says payment proofs. I'm going to go to where it says frequently asked questions, and I want to find out how to get paid with EmeraldBux. Okay, so this is if you want to if you have some questions that you may have, go to the frequently asked questions link, and then it's going to ask you what is the payout minimum. So that's number 10. It says there is no minimum cash out. You are able to cash out even at 0.01 euros, and then it's 1.004 pizza. And there is no cash out limit every day. So you can cash out every day, okay? So now what I want you to look at here, there's a certain minimum when you first get started of how many clicks you need to do to be able to cash out. So I'm going to, it says my account, being transparent. Okay, so I've been a member since 2017, excuse me, November 17, 2018. I have not been active. I want to tell you, I have not been active. Current balance is 10.1. €10.01, I guess. Hit the withdrawal button. It's going to tell you it is necessary to make 100 clicks to request your payment or upgrade your account to cash out now. So I need to at least have 100 clicks, right? So let's go back to my account and I'll show you how many clicks I currently have. So the reason why I'm doing this video because I'm almost at that 100 clicks threshold. And then I think after that, I should be okay. Just start cashing out all the time. So your clicks is 98. We're going to do some micro ads. The micro ads are more faster than the other ads because they're micro ads, smaller time frame. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on, let's just click on 3 of them. I'm going to click on 3 ads just so we can get the opportunity to cash out. And this is live. I'm not going to alter what's going on just to make a video. So I would definitely want to make sure that if you're going to join EmeraldBux, you want to know what you're getting into before you start wasting time looking at ads. Does it really pay? That's the question. So like I said, I have not got paid with EmeraldBux. I have not met that 100 clicks when I got started threshold. Now I'm doing it live so you can see exactly in real life time of what's going on. I got credit for that. I'm going to do 2 more just so we can go past the 100 click mark, just so there's no ifs, ands, or buts. I want to make sure once I go to cash out, I want it to cash out, and I don't want any other thing that says you can't cash out. Now, there's different types of payment options. I did choose the PayPal route. I want to get paid cash. You can use your Payza account if you have one of those. You can also get paid in Bitcoins. Of course, when you get things in Bitcoins, there's a fee for Bitcoin, usage of the blockchain, and all that good stuff. I'm going to click that out. got advertising. So we're gonna do one more. Then I'm gonna show you how many clicks I've had, and then I'm gonna go to the withdraw button live right in front of you. So there's no camera tricks or anything like that. See if it really pays. How long does it take for it to go into my account? Right? Now one of the things, so there we go. Got credit for that. So let's go where it says my account. See how many ads that I've clicked. See if I'm ready to earn what I've been working hard for. So I'm at 102 clicks. So okay, so how do you know? Your clicks is 102. I only have one direct referral. So if you're looking to join, there's a link in the description box below. Click on join. You and I both will earn money together. All right. So here it is. I'm going to the withdraw button. Uh-oh. So this is the problem. Okay. So it says it's necessary to have 10 direct referrals to request your payments or upgrade your account. So it looks like they're telling you to cash out. So you have to have 10 direct referrals. I'm not at 10 direct referrals. Okay. So until I get 10 direct referrals, then I can cash out. So if you're looking to join EmeraldBux, those are some criteria. First it says 100 clicks. Now you need 10 direct referrals or upgrade your account. It looks like they're trying to promote to go upgrade your account. Okay. So I'm looking for 9 more people to join, and then I will go to the withdraw account, and then we'll go from there. Thanks for tuning in to Billionaire Club 101. You have a great day.